Hey, so what's going on, everyone? So today, we've got an unboxing video. I already know what's in here, so now all of you get to see what's in here. All right, let's do this. Like always, it's a book. So let's do the reveal. All right, 3, 2, 1. And I gotta pick that up later. So today's unboxing is Random Imaginations from Nattie O'Sheggzy. So there is the front. There's the spine. All right, from my angle, I know the black and red combo looks a little hard to see, but I will say that seeing it in person, it looks great. So apologies for however my camera makes the spine look. There is the back. Feel free to pause it if you would like to read it. If not, I will be reading this momentarily. All right, so I'm about to read the back of this. Poetry, a scream of freedom. The battle cry against mind fiefdom. Bottled words struggle to liberate themselves, free of encumbrances. Sorry, some words I can't pronounce that well. Thoughts become the most beautiful things ever recreated. Written over several decades and inspired by contemporary events that explored humanity's existence. These words still resonate in today's world. All right, so to anyone who follows me personally, y'all already know that one of the main things I write is poetry. So yay for finally having a poetry book on this channel other than my own stuff. So usually there's a connection between myself and whoever I feature. Mainly because I tend to ask people if I can feature them on my channel, and it's easier for me to ask my friends. Also, I don't want to just randomly throw a book on here and then someone get mad that I'm featuring their stuff when they would prefer to feature their own stuff. So, in Nattie's case, Nattie was looking for places to promote Random Imaginations. And like many authors, I have an author page on Facebook and an author group. And a lot of authors tend to let other authors use their group page. In my case, I said no to this. Not because it's my group and I'm being selfish and all that other stuff. No. That has absolutely nothing to do with it, and I definitely like to help out when I can. So what I told Nattie was, instead of you posting links in my group page on Facebook, how about I feature you on my channel? And to any author that is possibly watching this video, if you want me to feature your stuff, I always have my social media links in the description below. Just pick whichever social media link is the one you use the most, message me, and we can talk about me featuring your stuff on my channel. So, I told Nattie I would feature random imaginations on my channel. I feel that this is the better way to promote another author. And the reason being, at least in my case, I've kind of got multiple things going on as far as my own author brand between my books, this channel, my second channel, the upcoming merch store. My followers get spammed a lot. Whereas this channel, there's a larger following. It's already being known for me doing unboxings and reviews for other authors. So, to those that usually ask about my connection with the authors that are featured, our conversations were pretty much just means of me being able to feature this book. Nattie, whenever you watch this, thank you for having a poetry book, because oddly enough, despite me writing poetry, the only poetry books that I have ever gotten to feature on this channel have been myself and my first one with Delton. So thank you for giving me a poetry book to feature. And as everyone knows, I am slowly but surely getting reviews uploaded, recorded, all that good stuff. And again, poetry is the main thing I do, so yes, Random Imaginations review video will be happening. So Nattie, whenever you watch this, thank you for giving me the link to your book. I'm definitely looking forward to reading this, because I definitely want to read something else other than some of the stuff I've been reading. No offense to anyone I have featured on this channel, but I've been featuring a lot of the same genres. And being someone that writes poetry and reads poetry, I have not gotten to feature a lot of poetry on the channel. I will have the links in the description below so you can pick up your copy of Random Imaginations. I will have Nattie's social media links in the description below. And that does it for this video. So if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I do my best to comment to videos in a timely manner. And also feel free to follow me on social media as well. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram. I have a second channel where I read my own stuff. And that does it for this video. So thank you all for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.